Janome.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Janome Studio. I'm Anne Hein, Embroidery Software Specialist for Janome America, and I want to introduce you to our MemoryCraft 100E. This is an embroidery-only machine. It comes packed with 274 designs, and it stitches at 660 stitches per minute. It's nice and compact, easy to navigate. The embroidery arm is on the back, and there's some accessories that come alongside it. You have a nice cover, an instruction book. Within your instruction book, you'll have a QR code to download your embroidery editor software for your PC. We have the square 5x5 hoop, and then several accessories. Let me show you the accessories that come with the machine. You have your high tension bobbin case, an additional spool stand, 2 large spool caps, 2 small spool caps, a screwdriver, a pair of snips, package of needles, a cleaning brush, some cleaning fluid, and of course some bobbins, and a stylus to use on the screen of your machine. Let's take a look at some of the features that are on the body of our MemoryCraft 100E. We have a scissor button, start-stop, thread tension dial. We can open our side cover for threading, a nice superior needle threader. We have onboard storage in the front here, and then you can open your storage area like so for free arm sewing with the optional free arm hoop. Moving to the screen of the machine, you can easily choose your design from either a category or, once it's open, a design from there. It tells you what hoop to put on the machine. You'll need to open up the embroidery arm. Touch OK. Embroidery arm is going to set into place. It tells you to set your tension dial. Once you're here, there's a few items I wanted to show you. We have a basting feature right here. So it's a tracing feature or basting, which is very handy if you're going to float your fabric or you have something you need to hold into your hoop more securely. We can watch our design stitch with showing one part at a time. And we have a hoop forward button. If we're working with our applique designs, we can bring our hoop closer to us while we're changing fabrics and things like that. Once I'm ready to stitch, I can attach my hoop and get started. To schedule a test drive on the MemoryCraft 100E and learn about current promotions, visit your Janome dealer today. Happy sewing!